It's about 10 o'clock in the morning and it's raining. See it raining and hitting the pool. Cat, you don't belong here. There's the cats that do, eating, 3 of them, eating their food. Up there goes Zoe, she left. Lily is eating out of Zoe's bowl. That's Lily's bowl container. And this is Obsidian Daisy. Right, Cupcake? Yeah. Where did Bobby go? Cat came back, huh? There's Bobby. There's our bananas. You have some more. But it is raining. Color difference. In the pool. Rainy season in Panama, right? Yeah. So strawberries. I don't know if I showed you. And I weed are growing. I do not have a green thumb, and I don't know. These are I've seen other people's YouTube videos of their garden, and it's like lush. Granted, I don't know. Yeah, raised garden doesn't matter. I'm not really using anything. I need to start using something. These are mango trees that just grew from the seeds. Avocado plant, tree, whatever it's supposed to be. I don't know. Try to put this up to keep the cats out, because I put some new things and seeds in here. And yeah, I don't know how well it works. I'm gonna have to nail it down or something. Oh, the plastic fell off the side. That one right there is no cat. That one right there is garlic, and the rest of them are onions. And here I have some, you can see through this entrapment I put up for the cats. It's kind of coming down. But there's some, now which one are those? Yeah, should label it, right? Those are zucchinis, and I put some, and back there you can see cucumbers. I put cucumbers and zucchini. Are they zucchini? No, wait a minute. Yeah, zucchini. It's whenever I put string beans in there. On my head. Really bad at that, because I wanted to put string beans, but I don't know if I actually did. I had a plastic over here, but it kind of got a little windy, so it fell off. And yeah, some plastic I just found around. I'm going to staple it up. Yeah, used it for painting. So I'm going to try to staple it up. Keep them from there. Maybe, I think I have some more plastic. Might put it across this one, where that is. Keep the cats out. And then I'm going to find the staples for the staple gun, staple that down. I wish I had some more of this. I have to ask Jim where he got it from. Maybe I can go and get some. Maybe. I don't know. And here's some more plastic. Look at the cats! Look at them! See? Obsidian Daisy, get out of there! I'm going to have to put plastic or something along the whole entire thing. Kill those cats. They don't really get into stuff when it's full. But this is empty. I haven't put anything in, and I weeded that, and I weeded that one, so now it's empty. Weeded that one, mostly. The tomatoes. And the cats are getting into it. Oh man, I'm killing these cats. There is, what in the world? A beet. Here's another avocado seed. Not really sure which way to plant this because it's just so weird. So I'm kind of watering it and putting it on the side and hoping it come up and do something so I know which side to plant. Strange, I know. Huh. So I have to water the garden. Even though it's raining, I want rainwater. So I'm waiting for the container to get some more water in it. Yes, I'm getting all wet. To get more water, which isn't much. Put it in to give to the garden. At least some. It's not really raining hard enough. I guess I could have collected the downspouts. A few of them, but it's not raining that hard yet. Spider. Where is it? I need to get there, spider. Can you move? Oh, spiders. Let's try to get some. Get that spider off. Go away. Go away. Change direction. Turn the pump on. Pressure upstairs. Shower. Oh boy. There's the dogs eating. I left the door open. I hope the cat didn't get in. Okay, I found this. I was going to use this, but it says a few drops, but yeah, it's too much work. I don't want to. Okay, well, really not much water. Not much going on today. Oh, did I show you my green onions? I didn't plant them in the garden. I forgot to just plant them in the water. See if they grow. They grow well. See, like this one's dead. I mean, he has a good root system, but he's all yucky. Yeah. I don't put that much water in it, but he didn't survive. This one might not either. Maybe I shouldn't have that much water in it. Change the water. This is Joanna's side of the sink. She needs to wash this. And it's supposed to be washed before bedtime. And then this is James's side of the sink. We had smoothie, and he's supposed to wash the blender. And Joanna, her bowls of cereal, her smoothie cup, water, and a little, nice little container got to use. Anywho, okay, well, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell everybody you know to watch our videos and subscribe and gives us a thumbs up.